Today I'm going to show you how to use a Tui Worm Tower, an in-ground composting system that allows you to recycle organic kitchen waste straight into your garden. These towers are great for smaller spaces or if you don't have somewhere to put a worm farm. The worms travel back and forth through the feeding holes, delivering nutrients directly to the roots of your plants. Here's how to set it up. Position the tower in your garden bed by digging a hole for the tower and then burying it in the soil, leaving the flared top section exposed. Add a bedding layer of moistened strips of newspaper, leaf matter, and straw. Next up, add some Tui Compost. Time to add your worms. Use composting or tiger worms. These can be purchased from a DIY, garden, or online store. Let your worms settle in for a few days before adding a handful of food scraps. Our top Tui tip is that you can feed your worms most of your household fruit and veggie waste, except for citrus or onions. You also want to avoid adding anything with salad dressing or vinegar, but do throw in tea bags, coffee grounds, and crushed eggshells.